Hey yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Chad. I've been getting you guys a lot of content lately. As you see, I'm about to wash the car. But before I wash the car, let me show you guys the setting that you guys need to put on for your Tesla, so that when you wash it, you can make sure you're doing it right. So once you're inside of your actual Tesla, you're gonna go to the settings, and right here in controls, we're gonna put it in car wash. So car wash mode closes all windows, locks and charge point, disables windshield wiper, sentry mode, walkway door locks, parking sensor for automatic car wash, conveyor belt, enter car wash mode. So yep, now that we're in car wash mode, we're just gonna leave this on while we car wash.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, you guys. So we're gonna be washing the car. Yeah, we have the pressure washer to go ahead and get it wet. Then I'm gonna soap and suds, and then do the tires. And so yeah. Take the bugs off the front of my car. My dad gave me a dryer sheet. He said this to take it off, so I'm just gonna wipe off. All right, guys, so I'm about to put on the chemical, guys, nice and wet. Alright, so now I'm about to use this glass cleaner just to go inside and clean the inside of the windshield, as well as the windows. The windows are kind of good, it's just the inside windshield. And then my dad's gonna start on the waxing, so you guys can see us wax. I'm gonna help with the waxing too, but the windshield is kind of irritating me, so I'm gonna get the windshield right. All right, so my dad has waxed the car. We didn't do the front because it's in the sun, so we have to switch the car around, but I'm going by now and just wiping the wax off. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I finished washing and waxing the car. And boy, does she look good, especially on this Pixel 9 quality. But yeah, man, shout out to the person who commented on the video. This the Silver Surfer. I'm going to rename my Tesla Silver Surfer. So shout out to you. I had originally named it Silver Bullet like my last car, but she needs her own identity, so this will be the Silver Surfer. Yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching and liking the Tesla content. If you have any questions or concerns or anything else you would like to see about Tesla, I'm gonna continue uploading more videos. But yeah, this been your boy Chad. I'm out. Peace.